Micro mini mukbang, micro mini mukbang, micro mini mukbang. Today we're going out to the ranch, cowboy, where we're having a $1 sandwich, which is chicken, bacon, and ranch, I think with cheese. And we are trying out Doritos' new Tangy Ranch. They are not like the regular Cool Ranch. These are tangy. What makes them tangy? We'll have to find out. Let's see on Micro Mini Mukbang. Micro Mini Mukbang. Micro Mini Mukbang. This is what it's supposed to look like. This is actuality. Okay. I put worse things in my mouth. So, let's try it out. I'm gonna cut this bad boy open. And look what's on its innards. Knife skills that suck. But all I'm cutting is an angle. Okay. I'm gonna tell you, just sort of looks like a chicken salad sandwich. The chicken tastes like a chicken salad sandwich. I'm not really getting the ranch that I need. Like, I want a Brokeback Mountain kind of ranch, if you know what I'm talking about. More sauce. Sometimes you can't go wrong with more sauce. It makes it ranchier. How do I kick this up? Just enough. To my ranch, some sweet Vidalia dressing, sweet Vidalia onion. I think that will sweeten it and give it the ranchy quality. You know, so it becomes more complex. More calories, but also more complex. So let's mix it up now. Bow. Whoop, getting drippy. Drip. And you know what Mama says about a drippy sandwich. It adds a sweetness. And it still has the saltiness of the ranch and the creaminess. It's pretty good. I don't taste the bacon. I don't taste the cheese. Raybern's is more like a hot ranch chicken salad. Whoop. Oh. It's good though. I am going to tell you why I keep doing these dollar sandwiches. And, as I call them, bachelor sandwiches. But they could be bachelorette sandwiches. I'm just looking for one that is, like, makes the meal worth it. Makes you want to go back to work after it. Nothing ho-hum. Aunt Eleanor's pickles, her hot dills. Look what that is. Do you know what that is? It's pickled garlic. It's my lucky day and a vampire's unlucky day. Let's get back to eating. So, these are a new Doritos to me. I have not seen these before. They are Tangy Ranch, and I'm a ranch guy. I don't know how to break you, or I don't know how to leave you. I don't know how to do something to you. Well, listen. ASMR. Ready? I'm going to tell you, it smells less ranchy than the Cool Ranch. Well, let's see. Okay. What do they mean by tangy? If you like even more Cool Ranch flavor, these Tangy Ranch are the way to go. It's burning my tongue a little bit, which I think is the salt. I don't think it's actual heat. Let's try again. I don't want to make any of you confused. Maybe a little heat, but not very much. Very good. Way to go, Doritos. Doritos Cool Ranch. Ooh. Tangy Ranch. Not cool. It's beyond cool. It's tangy. I'm about to do a very childish thing, so please forgive me. If any of you already know what's about to happen, congratulations. Doritos on the sandwich. Get the sauce on it. Very good. Buy some either Cool Ranch or some Tangy and put it on your sandwich. Gives it that extra kick. That is totally good. I like my food saucy. As saucy as I can get it. I got one more thing to talk about. Now, while we talk about some business, I am going to introduce you to this. What is this, you ask? Some may say poutine, some may say cheese fries, but you're both wrong. What it is New Jersey disco fries. What are disco fries? Besides heavenly, they are a mix of chicken gravy and American cheese. How more American? It's like Thanksgiving, but all in one place. Ketchup. Well, for me to keep making this great content for you, and even more in the future, I am opening a Patreon just for my mukbangs. If you want me to eat something, tell me about it. If you want to see some original content, if you want to see some bloopers, if you want to see me cooking with bad knife skills, join on to my Patreon. Also, what would really help is if you share this, subscribe, and ring the bell so you know when I'm putting up a mukbang. I want to show you this. Come on, baby. I need gravy. I'll tell you, for some of the people watching this, you remember how I used to eat this. I used to order disco fries, a cheesesteak with a side order of cream cheese. Yeah, that's calorie and cardiac hamburger place. You could take that. My gift to you. Because dipping the fries in a whipped cream cheese, whoo, ha ha ha. Probably bad for your, probably bad for everything. Well, I hope to see you around again. Be kind to one another. reach out to one another, love one another, eat with one another. As my grandpa always used to say, don't be an asshole.